Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most important parts of any brick job: mixing your mortar right and laying your bricks tight. Let's start with the mix. For most brickwork, you'll go with 1 part cement and about 4 parts sand. Add clean water slowly and mix it up real good until you get a smooth, workable mix, not too dry, not too runny. Good mortar should stick to your trowel, but still hold its shape. Next up, let's lay some bricks. Always dampen your bricks a bit before laying them. That keeps them from sucking the moisture out of your mortar. Spread a nice even bed of mortar with your trowel, set your first brick down, and tap it gently into place. Add a little mortar to the end of your next brick. Press it tight against the first one, and keep those joints fully packed. No gaps. That's what gives you strength. As you go, use your level to keep everything straight and even. And don't forget to stagger your joints from one course to the next. That's what locks the wall together. Once you've got a few rows up, scrape off the extra mortar and tool your joints for a clean finish. It not only looks sharp, but it also helps keep water out and makes the wall last longer. That's it for today's tip. Mix it right, lay it tight, and you'll get a solid wall that'll stand strong for decades. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next build.